How to get more listings in a low inventory market. Low inventory is a challenge for many agents right now, but it doesn't have to be. You can still get plenty of listings if you take the right approach. The key is to focus on the three things that most influence whether someone lists with you. 1, trust. They have to trust you can get the job done. This means being a true expert and having a track record to back it up. Number 2, value. They have to see the value in working with you. This means demonstrating how you'll deliver results and make the process easier for them. Number 3, timing. They have to be ready to sell. This means staying in touch with your database consistently so that you're top of mind when they are ready. The best way to build trust and demonstrate value is by consistently providing helpful content and market updates. This positions you as the local expert and keeps you top of mind. For example, you could share the latest market stats, tips for preparing a home for sale, common mistakes sellers make and how to avoid them. The key is to provide value without expecting anything in return. This builds trust and keeps you in their thoughts over time. Stay consistent. Set aside time each week to create and schedule your content, and make sure you're tracking who's engaging with it so that you know who's most likely to list soon. In addition to content, you should also be reaching out personally to your database on a regular basis. This could be through phone calls, text, or even handwritten notes. The key is to stay in touch in a way that feels genuine and not salesy.